Yay! So, smash that subscribe button. Like, if you're not, like, hard button, make sure you're dabbing out. Make sure you're dabbing on the face. Joining the Buckeye Bird, Buckeye Ring. A lot of stuff has been going on. As you all know, like, we have over, I have to get my subscriber special, so if you're not new here, subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications. Join the Buckeye crew and be vigilant. Like, it's lit every single day. Bucks. Like, a lot of stuff you guys don't know. We have over 22 subscribers. We have 23 subscribers on my, but we have to get over 22 subscribers, and we have to get it fast, because we are the strongest. Man, YouTube business on the fucking planet. Like we have, like, see, like, if you're not part of the Buckeye crew, turn on post notification, comment down below, join, be a visionary, like, be positive. Like, I am big, I'm 22 years old, gonna be, and guess what, like, we got a lot of shit planned. I haven't been doing a video because I've been busy. I've been going out to stores, and a lot of stuff has been going on. So, like, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, join the strongest people on YouTube. So, if you didn't see that, the last, I made a song, I made 2 songs, maybe 3. I've been posting music videos, because pretty much I'm gonna make music and post videos and do a lot of crazy stuff and make contact with you guys and make sure I get you guys caught up to date to making cartoon videos again. So, like, it's gonna be easy, because I haven't been making videos very often now, but I'm back on YouTube, so smash that subscribe button, turn on post notification, comment down below, join the strongest people, and subscribe to my channel, Buckeye Man, Buckeye Crew. It's actually Buckeye Man, Buckeye David Gonzalez. So subscribe. I couldn't put Everyday Ring, because I'd rather put Everyday David Gonzalez, Buckeye Crew. You guys know the drill. But my main channel, I don't know what's going on, but stay tuned. We're going to see. So if you're not part of the Buckeye Crew, smash that subscribe button. Turn on freaking post notification. I have to comb my hair, because today is a new day. Like, I have to And see, I brushed my hair. See that? Like, we are the strongest people. We haven't been posting so well, so keep keep on grinding. Um, some of the reasons I have some planning to do. So, if you're not part of the Buckeye crew, I want you to dab on those haters. Be strong every day. Follow your dreams. Be original. And be a Buckeye crew. Don't listen to any hate that comes your way. Because the haters are going to hate if you don't picture the moments that you realize. Because today, a couple of weeks ago, I went on a cruise. I haven't been vlogging about it, but I went on a cruise. So if you're not part of the Buckeye crew, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notification, comment down below, join the strongest people on YouTube, and be original. It's everyday Buck. It's like every day I'm trying to change. So comment down below if you want me to change it to everyday rain. Cause I kind of haven't shown you the bird, so I'm gonna be right back. Hello. This is my pet. Hey, no biting. I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah, you guys. This is Rain. He is my. And if you're not new here, I'm doing a YouTube video. I know. Smash that subscribe button. Join the strong. Yeah, Rain. This is my YouTube channel. I'm doing a YouTube video. You wanna say hello? Come on, hop up. Hop up. Rain is biting me. He's laughing at me while he's biting me. Come here. No biting. Be nice. You wanna be famous? This is Rain. Like, he's gonna be part of my life forever. Right, Rain? Even though you fight with me? See? Say hello to the fans. This is Rain. Like, I'm gonna be making sure he gets t-shirts on him. And, like, I'm gonna make sure Bella gets t-shirt on her. Because I kind of do both YouTube channels. Like, it's an everyday Buck. So, no one should realize that he's a talking bird. And he's my favorite. Even both of them are my favorite, Bella and Rain. So comment down below if you want to join the Buckeye crew. Join the Buckeye, so it's lit every single day. So Rain, I love you. Don't be a pest to me. And Rain is my pet. I find so you guys I've been telling you guys from a long time. We were gonna get a bird. We got a bird. His name is Rain. He talks. He's a funny bird, and we got him from New Jersey. Cause I live we live in the Poconos, and Rain's a good, but he's a good person. He has a personality. But one thing you have to know, he bites. Like when he bites, he knows he's hungry. And Rain does not know that he's gonna be on my t-shirt if he keeps biting. He's gonna be on my shirts. He's gonna be traveling with me. He's gonna be going on vacation. I'm gonna be making a business with this bird. So Rain, you're gonna be joining the Buckeye team. So you better be good, cause I know you have something against me, but you're gonna be famous. You wanna be famous with me? You wanna be famous? Rain. Like, see? Rain is my bird, and I will never let no one touch him, except for me. So if you're not part of the Buckeye crew, cause you heard this here, like, I wish we didn't adopt him, we bought him. Like, and Rain no, ow, Rain, stop biting me. Okay, Rain, come here. Okay, no, you can't. Come here, hop up. Rain, you have to limit him because he is a biter. And, like, we have two things for Rain. Rain can be freaking pain in the butt, and Rain can pick on me. Come here. Come here. Say hi to the viewers. You want to say hi to the viewers? This is how he looks at himself. No, no, no. And nope. He took a crap on my phone wire. This is what he does. See what he does. I have to kind of move this because he's gonna tip it over and he's gonna hurt himself. Like my last mirror did. It hurt himself. No, Rain. I'm sorry. He bit me, see? Like, if you're not part of the Buckeye crew, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notification, and be an everyday buck. With the lit. See, he's dancing, right, Rain? Be everyday buck. Yep, he's saying. And we'll see you. I'm probably gonna be posting probably every day now. And Rain is saying, yep, I'm gonna have to post because he's gonna be biting me all day, right, Rain? Right, Rain? You gonna be bothering me all day? So I'll see you tomorrow because it's everyday buck. Peace.